title some gusting water acidity for plant irrigation using pH measurement. Hello YouTube friends. In this video, we will discuss methods for adjusting the acidity of water for plant irrigation using pH measurement. pH measurement is a crucial tool for understanding and regulating the acidity level of water. Let's take a closer look at the precise methods of adjusting this value and its significance in plant irrigation. Water pH measurement. To measure the pH of water, we use a PEEP interior. This device, with high accuracy, indicates the acidity or alkalinity level of the water. First, take a sample of water and immerse the pH meter into it. Analysis of pH measurement results. If the pH level is less than 6, the water is too acidic and requires corrective actions. If the pH level is greater than 7, the water is too alkaline and needs adjustment. Adjusting water acidity. For acidity lower than the desired level, add an appropriate amount of water softener to the water. Add a small amount of lemon juice to the water. For acidity higher than the desired level, add a certain amount of sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate to the water. Use specific substances such as iron chloride or iron sulfate. Always measure the pH of the water accurately before making adjustments. Changes in acidity should be made gradually and with precision. Take care of the pH meter for high accuracy and results. Importance of adjusting water acidity. Prevention of nutritional deficiencies in plants. Maintenance of soil structure and prevention of disturbances in nutrient absorption. Adjusting acidity using acid-reducing powders. If you want to decrease acidity, you can use acid-reducing powders, such as sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Start with a smaller amount and carefully monitor changes. Adjusting acidity using acid-increasing powders. If there is a need to increase acidity, you can use acid-increasing powders such as iron chloride or iron sulfate. Control the amount used carefully to prevent excessive water acidity. Gradual adjustment and repetitive tests. Apply any changes in water acidity with precision and gradually. After each adjustment, measure the water pH again to ensure the desired level has been achieved. Always use a pH meter with high accuracy to conduct adjustments with precision to prevent harm to the plants. Always measure the water before irrigation and make necessary adjustments if needed. By following this guide, you can accurately adjust water acidity and maintain your home plants in an ideal environment for healthy growth. If you have any questions or experiences, feel free to ask or share in the comments.